Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to MedCode Insight. Hi, I am Nishaba, a certified medical coder. In this video, we will go over some important repeated practice questions from the remaining cardiovascular system topics, along with guidelines and quick elimination methods, so you can choose the correct option within a minute. So, without further ado, let's get started. A 60-year-old female has recurrent lipoma in the axilla. Ultrasound was used to localize the lymph node in the question for needle guidance. N11 blood scalpel was used to perform a small dermatotomy. N18 into 10 cm biopens needle was advanced through dermatotomy to the periphery of the lymph node. A total of 4 biopsy specimens were obtained. 2 specimens were placed in RPMI and 2 were placed in formalin and sent to the laboratory. The CPT codes is R. Option A with code 10,005, option B with code 38,500, 77,002 along with modified 26, option C with code 38,525, 76,942 along with modified 36, option D with code 38,505, 76,942 along with modified 26. In the given scenario, a needle was used to obtain the biopsies. Based on the technique used to collect the biopsies, we can first eliminate option B and C, as both of these options involve obtaining the biopsies through the open surgical method. To choose the correct option, we refer to the parenthetical note under code 38,505. According to this note, for fine needle aspiration biopsy, we can use code from code range 10,004 to 10,012 and 10,021. Since aspiration was not performed, we can eliminate option A with code 10,005. The parenthetical note under code 38,505 also indicate that imaging guidance, when performed, should be coded as 76,942, 77,012, and 77,021. Therefore, the correct option is option D with code 38,505 used for the biopsies or excision of lymph nodes by needle and code 76,942 used for ultrasound guidance for needle placement. A 20-year-old patient with an abscessed tooth presented to the physician office with possible sepsis. The tooth had gone untreated for 2 weeks, and now the patient is experiencing a high fever, severe headaches, and toothaches and malaise and fatigue. The physician suspects that the bacteria from the tooth has spread to the patient's blood and is now a systemic infection. As part of the office procedure, the physician ordered a CBC in order to examine the bacterial level in the patient's blood. After the physician writes the order, the nurse performs a venipuncture on the patient in order to obtain a blood sample. What is the correct code for the collection of the blood only? Option A with code 36,416, option B with code 36,410, option C with code 36,415, option D with code 36,406. In the given scenario, the nurse performed a venipuncture on a 20-year-old patient to obtain a blood sample. Based on the patient age, we first eliminate option D with code 36,406 used for the venipuncture on the patient younger than 3 years. We will also eliminate option B with code 36,410 as this code is used for blood collection that requires the skill of a physician, not a nurse. Next, we eliminate option A with code 36,416 refer to the collection of capillary blood sample from the tip of the finger or heel of an infant. Therefore, the correct option is option C with code 36,415 used for the collection of venous blood by venipuncture when the nurse performed the procedure in the office to obtain a blood sample. A patient underwent a MACE procedure to treat arterial fibrillation. The provide extensively isolate and ablate the electrical pathways of the pulmonary veins in the left and right atrium and arterioventricular annulus. During the procedure, the patient is placed on cardiopulmonary bypass. What CPT code should be reported for this procedure? Option A with code 33,254, option B with code 33,255, option C with code 33,256, option D with code 33,259. In the given scenario, a patient undergoes a MACE procedure to treat arterial fibrillation. Since the provider extensively isolates and ablates the electrical pathways, this indicates it is a simple MACE procedure. Based on the type of the MACE procedure, we can first eliminate option A with code 30254 as this code is used for a modified MACE procedure. We also eliminate option D with code 30259 as it is an add-on code. Remember, add-on codes are always listed separately in addition to the code for the primary procedure and cannot be used alone. In both remaining options, the codes are used for the MACE procedure. To choose the correct option, we base our decision on whether the procedure was done with or without cardiopulmonary bypass. Since the procedure was performed with cardiopulmonary bypass, the correct option is option C with code 30256. A 70-year-old patient was brought to the emergency department following a horseback riding injury. The patient was riding in the wood when the horse spooked at the sight of the snake and bucked the patient, who was subsequently kicked by the horse in the abdomen. The patient was suffering severe internal pain, and upon presenting in the emergency department, the abdomen was stiff and distended. Suspecting an internal splenic injury, the physician ordered emergency surgery. During the surgery, the physician performed a partial lateral splenectomy with the splenography on the anterior face of the spleen. Upon cross inspection, the remaining organs were all intact. The physician then sutured the abdominal cavity and admitted the patient to the ICU for observation. What is the correct procedure code for this service? Option A will code 38,115. Option B will code 38,101. 38,115. Option C with code 38,101. Option D with code 38,120. In the given scenario, the physician ordered emergency surgery. During the surgery, the physician performed a partial lateral splenectomy with splenography. Since the procedure is not laparoscopic, we can first eliminate option D with code 38,120 used for laparoscopic procedure, yet it is an inappropriate for this case. As in the given scenario, the physician performed a partial lateral splenectomy with splenography. We can eliminate option C as code 38,101 is used only for partial splenectomy, and option B because the code 38,115 includes both partial splenectomy and splenography, so there is no need to code separately for the partial splenectomy. Therefore, the correct option is option A with code 38,115. A patient is undergoing an aortogram in which the left femoral artery was cannulated with a catheter advanced into the infrarenal abdominal aorta. Contrast medium was injected and film were taken by stereography. What CPT codes are reported for the professional component? Option A with code 36,200, 75,625 along with modifier 26. Option B with code 36,200, 75,630 along with modifier 26. Option C with code 36,200, 75,605 along with modifier 26. Option D with code 36,200, 75,635 along with modifier 26. 75,716 along with modifier 26. In all the given option, code 36,200 is used for the introduction of the catheter into the aorta. As in the scenario, the aortography was performed on the abdominal aorta. Based on the region, we first eliminate option C with code 75,605 used for the aortography of the thoracic region. We can also eliminate option D with code 75635, which is used for computer tomography angiography, which was not performed. Next, we eliminate option B with code 75630 as it is not correct because this code is used for a runoff which includes the iliofemoral of the lower extremities. Therefore, the correct option is option A with code 36200 used for the introduction of the catheter into the aorta and code 75625 used for the aortography of the abdominal aorta. Modifier 26 is reported for the professional component. A month after Simon's cardiopulmonary bypass, he is experiencing chest pain and presents to his cardiologist. Simon's doctor agrees that he needs a reoperation to repair dysfunctional prostatic valve. How would you code this procedure? Option A with code 30,500, option B with code 30,530, option C with code 30,496 along with modifier 59, option D with code 30,496 along with modifier 59, 33,530. In the given scenario, a reoperation is performed to repair the dysfunctional prostatic valve. We first eliminate option A with code 30,500, which is used for the repair of coronary arteriovenous or arteriocardiac chamber fistula, as it is a different procedure. We also eliminate option B with code 33,530, as it is an add-on code and we cannot use it alone. In both remaining options, code 33496 is used for the repair of non-structured prostatic valve dysfunction with cardiopulmonary bypass. We choose the correct option based on the parenthetical note under the code 33496, which states that for a reoperation, code 33530 should be used in addition to code 33496. Since a reoperation is performed a month after the initial cardiopulmonary bypass, the correct option is option D with code 33496 along with modifier 59 and 33530. The modifier 59 is used to indicate a separate procedure. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or need further clarification, please feel free to write in the comment section. For more detailed guidelines, CPC mock exam related questions and notes, email me at the giving email ID.